you do Peekaboo Barn?
Da, da. Da.
What animal's that?
Mooch.
Moo cow?
Rabbit.
Very good, Rabbit. Bunny Rabbit. We saw those on the golf cart last night. What's that? What's in there now? Tap it. What's in there?
Moo.
What is that? What is it? Hmm? Donkey? What's the donkey? That was a donkey say. I don't know what he says. I've not seen a lot of donkeys. What? Do you like dogs?
Yeah. Pink. Pink. Baby.
Kissing yourself? Who is that?
Babies.
What's the baby's name? Is it Carsey?
Da.